风气
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。现在是应征期哦，
要面试。
对，所以看大家都穿得非常干净利落。Let's teach you this. How do you say something that's clean and neat? Maybe how you look, you know?
锵锵丽丽。
哦，锵锵丽丽，
干净利落。
干净利落。Okay, when I go for an interview, you gotta wear a suit that is clean and neat. 要去面试，所以穿得干净利落的套装。
爱去面试，
爱去面试，
鼓手，
鼓手，
做柜头，锵锵丽丽的衫服，
做柜头，锵锵丽丽的衫服。要弄一套非常干净的套装衣服，没错。So an interview 面试叫做
面试
，okay, and then you gotta wear something that's very neat. 其实也可以
用在事情，这个很干净利落，
可以吗？
把事情结束了。
哦，这样子也好哎，这是另外一种方式来讲干净利落。Let's say someone does something that's very neat. Can you use this term? Yes. 他把事情干净利落的结束了。She finished the job very clean.
記牢事情，
記牢事情，
盼到锵锵麗麗，
盼到锵锵麗麗，
結束咧。
結束咧 That means 結束了 To complete something that is clean and neat. All right, let's review these terms, including 面試 and interview.
面試，
面試 and then your suit or 套裝。
櫃頭嘅衫服，
櫃頭嘅衫服 and then it's 乾乾淨淨 So clean and neat.
锵锵麗麗，
锵锵麗麗 And there you have it, another round of Daily Hakka on ICRT.
什麼太家？
漢字寫章來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.